Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am so excited, but we're going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box. So I'm going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag plus. So what do we get? Is it good? What are my thoughts on this? Well, let's find out. So I do want to just quickly say Happy Pride Month! Yay! I'm so excited. Happy Pride Month, guys. It is, I don't say it was November 1st. It's June 1st. And I'm just so excited. This year I feel like is flying by super quick. So, guys, I'm excited to dive into this box. I have no idea what we're getting for the PR box. I never pay attention to any spoilers because I generally don't want anything ruined for me. So I have no idea what we're getting. But I do know that in my last video that I did with the Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I got a lot of positivity, but I got some hate with my opinions because at the end of the day, guys, though I received this in PR, I'm still a paying customer. So I get to experience both ends, what it's like receiving PR and what it's like being a customer. And more often than not, I see how you guys get treated because I'm treated the exact same way. So I was just expressing my opinions. And I just wanted to let you guys know in that video that I understand your frustration because the amount of comments that I get, the DMs, the emails that I get, people venting to me about their frustration with these companies, I wanted to let them know I understand. Like, I'm a paying customer too, and I get it. Like, my boxes take forever to get here as well. And I just wanted to express it to you guys in that video that, listen, we're in this together. So though I'm super appreciative to Ipsy and BoxyCharm for being on their PR list, I'm still a paying customer. And I just was expressing my frustration right along with yours. So I have no idea what we're getting in here. I'm excited. Hopefully it's going to be really cool if they did like a whole pride thing. Now, one of the things I want to point out about getting PR from Ipsy is it is just a little frustrating that I don't know what product goes into what bag, because I do get the Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag plus both thrown into this box right now. This is what it looks like. So I have no idea what products belong to what. And usually in the comment section, you guys tend to tell me, oh, that's supposed to be in the $12 bag or that's in the $25 bag. So I really appreciate it. And I'm really, really sorry that I don't have the information of what goes to what. I'm so sorry. They don't ever send me anything in regards to that, nor do I get like a little piece of paper that tells me what goes to what. So I do apologize for that. But just in case you guys are new here, Ipsy does offer 3 different services. You do have the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month. I believe it's $12 a month now. You get a little makeup bag with 5 deluxe size samples. And then you could pay $25 a month, which is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, where you get like this little Santa sack with 5 full-size items, 3 of which you get to customize yourself. And then there's also Ipsy X, which is $50 every 3 months, where it's a box curated by an influencer, and you get to pick out, I think, 4 out of like 8 or 9 items. It's actually really cool. I really do love Ipsy X. It's so much better than the Ipsy Ultimate because that was shitty. Okay, so the first thing we see in here, again, I don't know which goes to what, is, oh my gosh, it is the Pore Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So I actually already own the full size of this and the little mini size because Benefit did send it my way in PR. So thank you so much, Benefit. Now, I have been using this for a while. I do enjoy it. I saw all over TikTok that apparently if you set your face with this, it's supposed to make your makeup last all day. Guys, I have been using it for quite some time. And in my last video recently, I tried to do a full face, so like TikTok made me buy it products to prove that I can get really oily, and damn it, I swear to God, I did not get oily in that video. But I've been doing the same exact routine this entire weekend just to really try it out, and I got super oily by the end of this weekend. So this works, but it doesn't really work if you're really, really, really oily. This just works for a couple hours. So I already do have the full size of this in the sample size, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday, which, by the way, if you guys don't know, my No Waste Wednesday does end this Wednesday, June 2nd, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys go enter it because I do have 2 winners, which I'll have everything linked down below. So this will be the first one for June. All right, next we do have, oh my God, this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiant Booster. I believe we actually got this. I believe this came in the Ipsy X with Khloe Kardashian's box. I want to double check. I believe I got this because I believe I played around with this. If it's this... Oh my God, yes it is. Okay, so I already have this Radiant Booster, and I can safely say that this product smells divine. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Like, this is what I envision like Tati and like Jacqueline's skin smelling like. So this is a beautiful product. It does give you that radiant glow. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday as well, just because I do have it. And I know myself, I'm never gonna go through the entire bottle. Like, it's gonna take me a long time to go through it, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my No Waste Wednesday. Okay, so next we have oh my god, this is from Thrive Cosmetics. This is I Live 360 Waterproof Primer. I Revive Complex. Oh my god. Our age-defying eye primer works 360 around your eyes to create the perfect crease-proof, color-boosting canvas for eyeshadow and concealer while reducing the look of lines. Oh, okay. Okay. So, all right. This is just an actual, like, primer for your eyes. For a minute there, I'm not gonna lie, I read it as, like, another eye product. If you guys have been following me for a while, or if you guys are new here, oh, I want to say, ever since I turned 30 back in 2019, legit, I have gotten nothing but eye products. And I do enjoy getting my skincare here and there, but I kind of like there being like a mix of products. And you guys can go back and look at my videos. I've gotten nothing but eye cream products. When I see an eye product, I'm like, God damn. So I just got mad at this. But it's actually an eye primer. And I love Thrive Cosmetics so much. Their mascara is probably one of the best mascaras I have ever played with. Ever used. I don't know why I said played with. Okay, cool. That's going to be exciting. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my desk because I really want to give this a try. Because if it's anything like their mascara, then this is going to be a freaking bomb-ass product. All right, so next we have this little bag right here. So this is Have Fun, Love, Peace. Oh, I think this is definitely in honor of Pride Month. That makes me so happy. Oh, they're honoring it. That is amazing. Okay, cool. Oh, and like that's like a little shift, like a little rainbow shift. That is the cutest. All right, so what do we have in here? So first things first, we have a little Tartus Tart. So this is the lash plane. Oh my god, this is itty bitty. This is super tiny. That's a big ass mascara. Holy crap, that thing is massive. I believe I used to use this long ago. I don't remember my thoughts on this. Next, there is ooh, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. That's really pretty. Oh, this looks like it's full size. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. That is really, really nice. Nice, that's really cool. I think it's a full-size product in here, and ABH isn't cheap. I think it's like a $20 product right here. Next, there is a Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I've actually tried this before. I'm not really a fan of it. So I'm going to go ahead and add this into like a No Waste Wednesday. But that's actually really cool to add that in there. A lot of goodies are actually in this bag. Next, there is a Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. It says, massage the product into your hair and scalp after repair shampoo. Leave for 5 minutes. Rinse and if contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. Oh, pretty neat. And last but not least, we have ooh, this is from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Internal Eyeliner. Oh, I have never tried Gerard Cosmetics before, and I've always wanted to. I just haven't done it yet. And though this would be really cool to try out, it is a liquid liner. And if you guys don't know, I'm horrible at liquid eyeliners. Like, I'm horrible at them. I think it's because my eyes are so big, and they also kind of shift downwards, that it just does not look good on me. I've tried numerous times, and I can't grasp it. So though this is really cool, I do have to pass this along because I just know I wouldn't get a use out of it, though. But that is really cool. So those seem to be everything we got in this little tiny little cute makeup bag. This is actually really cute. Okay, next we got a palette. This is from We Are Fluid, Otherworldly. Navigate the world from your own true north. Take a look into the interstellar level with an otherworldly combination of mattes, shimmers, foils, and glitters, and the versatile shades and bold colors. We Are Fluid is a queer beauty brand created to celebrate underrepresented faces, empower self-expression, and champions gender-expansive beauty. I already love that. That is so cool. All right, let me take a look at it. The packaging is actually really cute. The packaging does remind me of like Interstellar, like out of space scene. And when you open it up, oh my god. Okay, not gonna lie, not what I expected. I generally thought there'd be like rainbow-esque themes in here, and there seems to be a lot of muted browns, a little bit of yellows, and some glitter. But what really strikes me about this palette is that it looks like it's like a Halloween palette, because this color right here looks like in the Howlin' For You palette that I played around with, like with the green, you have the browns, the deep orange, you have some doo-doo browns, some mustard yellows. Like this really screams like a fall Halloween palette. It doesn't scream outer worldly, and it doesn't scream like it represents the Pride Month. So very, very interesting. I still think it's really beautiful. I'm not going to lie. Am I a big fan of them putting glitter in here? No. But I do think it's actually still really pretty. Like, I can't stop staring at this. So pretty. Okay, that's really cool. All right, next we got these Rainbow Luxe set. This is from Ipsy Glam. I'm sorry, I can't read that. I do apologize. Oh my God. That's embarrassing that I can't read that, but I do want to check this out. I just poured that open. I do want to check these out. Oh, these are very cute. I do like the little brush heads. I like how it goes from orange to pink. The inside is nice and glittery. They do feel very, very, very light, but these are really pretty though. I do like these. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So that seems to be, I feel like the 11 Skin, the palette, the brushes are part of the Glam Bag Plus, but I don't know what else would go in here, and there's no way they can count this unless they count the ABH product as that, but that's still not 5 full-size samples, because maybe the Gerard Cosmetics would be counted. It's just so confusing because the way they put stuff in here and then in here, I can never tell what goes to what, but I do think that the Gerard Cosmetics and the ABH are probably the full size, and this is probably the deluxe, but either way, I can't tell. Last but not least, we do have the Santa sack right here. It's definitely cute, but I just can't stand that this is the $25 bag. I know some people really do enjoy it, and I definitely make use out of it because whenever I do my No Waste Wednesdays, I put all like the little like sample stuff like this in the bag, and so it's great because I make use of the Santa sack. But I just wish that since you're paying $25, that you actually got like a legit makeup bag and not a little Santa sack where you could just go like, you know, ho, 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 bitches, you know. I'll never understand that. I'll never, ever, ever understand that. So that is everything that we got in our Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. Definitely not a bad box at all. I'm thoroughly pleased with it. I'm pretty happy. I think this is like probably such a kick-ass product. If those who did not get the those who did not get the Khloe Kardashian one now get a chance to have this, because this is actually I think like a $125 product if I'm correct. Very expensive product they put in here, and I do appreciate that. Smells like heaven if you guys get a chance to smell it. So overall, I really do enjoy this box. I really do like how they cater to Pride Month. I think that's really sweet. This is the kind of brand that does kind of do that, because remember for Halloween, they actually do like Halloween vibes and like makeup bags. So they do tend to pay attention to that, and I appreciate it. So yeah, definitely not a bad box at all. I'm excited. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Very short unboxing. I just wanted to show you guys what you guys could potentially getting in your June box for Ipsy. I do let you guys know that tomorrow, June 2nd, is typically when they release your customizations. So go make sure you guys pay attention to your emails. But yeah, Ipsy, thank you so much for sending this my way. I really appreciate it. And yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys check out my other channels, R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge, huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members that you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye. Something glam. Make sure you guys have a make sure you guys have a safe Memorial Day weekend. That already passed. And in my video, so at the end of the day, guys, like, even though oh my God, I kind of just threw myself off. I don't even know where to start off again. I forget what I was talking about. Hey, guys. So that is everything that's in. So that is it for today's video, guys. Very short unboxing. I just didn't have a very short unboxing. Oh God, just dropped that.